Hello, this is 6.2, Proportions to Solve Geometry Problems. In 6.1, you will notice that we looked at this stuff up here. We had a proportion, and we can cross multiply, and we get A times D is equal to B times C. That's what we did on Monday. And we're looking at some reciprocal principle is we can simply flip these and say B times A is equal to D times C. So it's just a matter of looking, if we had 4 up here, we had 4 over 3 is equal to 8 over 6. We could write that as 3 over 4 is equal to 6 over 8. And that would also be true. That's the reciprocal principle. Another way to look at the same thing. Then we have the exchange of means. That means we swap our B and C. We swap these here. So that simply says 3 over 6 will be equal to 4 over 8. And you can see that that holds true. We swap the B and C from the one above. Exchange. So another way is just to look at it as flipping it sideways. Then add the denominator to the numerator. So in this case, let's test that out. We had 4 over 3. So now our denominator, let's take this here all the way down here. So we have 4 over 3. That's going to be 4 plus 3 over 3. That should be equal to 8 plus 6 over 6. And if we simplify that, we get 7 over 3 is equal to 14 over 6. And we can see that's true also. And this will come in handy when you have certain problems and you want to solve for one of the variables, and you can use that. Let's go ahead and look at the next page. Okay, let's continue here. We can write four true proportions. So we could write 12 over 8. That's AB over AC is equal to 9 over X. Or we could write 12 over 9 is equal to 8 over X. And now we have, we could switch it, couldn't we? So we could do 12 over 9. Oh, that's the one we just had. Let's see. So there's our original proportion. Oh, now we can flip it. We could do 8 over 12 is equal to X over 9. And now we can take this one and add the denominators. So we could have 12 plus 8 over 8 is equal to 9 plus X over X. And those are our 4 proportions that are true. Let's go ahead and look at example 2. We have 2 similar triangles. We have the small one and the big one. And this is 8, 12, and 6. And then we have X. We don't know what RT is, but this long side is 28 plus 12, which is 40. So they said SV is the 8 over VT, which is X minus 8, is going to equal to SU, which is 12, over UR, which is 28. And we can go ahead and cross multiply and solve for this now. So we cross multiply, we get 8 times 28 is equal to 12 times X minus 8. At this point, I divide by 12 and do some canceling. I'll change colors here. 4 goes into this twice and into that 3 times, which gives me 56 thirds is equal to X minus 8. And I'm looking at that as 3 going to 56. No, it doesn't. So we'll go ahead and add 8 to both sides, giving us X is equal to 56 thirds plus 8. So we'll multiply this by 3 over 3, which gives us 24 thirds plus 56 thirds, which is 80 thirds. We'll just go ahead and stop there as our answer. So that gives us ST as 80 thirds and VT as 56 thirds. And that's that. We'll stop there and move on to the next example problem.